Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we remove data to our project Shared Preferences, and now open Shared Preference service and create method remove to do future void remove to do int index async, then final result shared preferences get string list k items, then write result remove add index and write await shared preferences set string list write k items and add result save. Now we open main.dart and open button delete parameter on top and write set state and write variable service method remove to do save. Open emulator and test our result. Hot restart. Add record. Go to gym. Save. Now we delete records. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.